Okay, so the first thing you have to figure out is what operation is being done. So in this one, we are subtracting, which means we will need to have common denominators. So I compare my denominators, and it might help for you to do a couple of things. So first of all, I'm going to factor the numerator. Actually, I'm not going to factor the numerator. You know what, I am. Let's go ahead and factor the numerator. It can't hurt, right? So I factor out an x out of the numerator of that first fraction, and I get 2x plus 1 over, now I'm going to write 2x plus 1 squared as 2x plus 1 times itself, minus 3 over 2x plus 1. And then because each fraction can be simplified, that first fraction has a giant 1. So I'm going to get rid of that giant 1 and then rewrite what I've got. So now I've got x over 2x plus 1 minus 3 over 2x plus 1. So the first thing I did here was simplify anything that I could by factoring and looking for giant 1s. Now that I have all the giant 1s gone, I compare my denominators, and this time the denominators are already the same. They are already common denominators. So I can go ahead and write this as one fraction over my common denominator, and then subtract my numerators. And we don't have any other giant 1s, so that's it.